Yes. North of Fort Stockton, southwest of Odessa. Look out for hail here. Starting to hear pitter patters. Alright, that's just rain. Looks like this does not have hail yet. Bad hail. So, I'm right here at the south end of this. Got a cell merger going on right now. These two cells merging. And cell mergers bring tornadoes. So, to see if we got that. Got a wall cloud there on the left, wall cloud over here. So I am Monahans, Texas, Monaahans, just southwest of Odessa. Sounds like this wants to go hail. Just need to see if this is going to merge or not. Here's a video of the cell. Cell came up from the south, meeting the cell from the north. The northern cell had a brief tornado. Just sounds like it wants to drop some hail. Or maybe it's just organizing. I'm just really paranoid about hail at the moment. Not on the Fort Stockton storm because hail is blocking the road. I'd have to drive through hail to get to it. I am almost up to I-20. Hey, Krista. I kept bouncing between storms. I was going to go north, I was going to go south, and then finally I decided to go north because rental. because I just can't get to Fort Stockton. I'd have to drive through hail. Plus, the cell merger interested me up here. So I'm going to give this a little bit of time. Yeah, I'd like to get real close to I-20 and then just observe for a little bit. See if we can get a mesoscale accident. There seem to be a lot of them lately. Accidental tornadoes. You get two storms, they collide into each other, and lately it's been producing tornadoes. Alright, here we go. What's the better view? I like this view over here. Let's see. Just in case it starts hailing. Alright. So we're going to chill here for a little bit. So the only, not the only, but I just don't know if we're too far up into the cold front up here or not. Woo, a little wet. There's another storm I like to the west. Yeah, Monaghan's. No, I think it's actually a cold front. I disagree. It's coming down from the north, and temperatures, there's a temperature differential of like 20 degrees. I mean, whatever, it's semantics. Dry lines are normally east-west boundaries, and this is a north-south boundary. It's pushing down from the Lubbock area. Yeah, actually it is a cold front because a dry line would have a differential of dew point, and there's really no differential on dew point. It's temperature only. Difference of 67 to 87. Anyway, like I said. So no, not Fort Stockton. I am up in Monaghan's. I tried to go to Fort Stockton, but the storm, there's only one road coming out of Fort Stockton southeast, and there's 2.5-inch hail that I would have to go through. So did not want to do that. So I'm watching this guy. It's not looking very severe at the moment. I think I might go to the next storm. So this is, let me get rid of some of this stuff to clean it up. Let me put lightning on so I can see. Yeah, the lightning is not much. Let's see, not much is going on with that storm either. But that can change. Here, let me do a long-term loop of what happened. And let's see here. All right, here's a long-term loop of the area. This was the first storm to go tornado warned. I was stuck in between the two because I liked that storm, how it was maybe riding the front. But then I saw, hey, Virginia, yeah. Then I saw this storm was going to come up and basically squash. I knew that was going to eat a half an hour, maybe. So then I went this way. But then I saw that this storm is blocking the only road. It's just basically following that road. Well, I can't go through the hail. So I'm like, okay, come back and look at this guy. And what I'm seeing is it looks sort of sub-severe right now. It's losing all its red. It's on the north side of the front. So now I think I like this guy here. Where'd he go? This guy south of Pecos, this little guy. And I think I'm making the decision to go to that storm because that one looks like it's riding the boundary. Smoker's cough. Just kidding, I don't smoke. Alright, so I'm gonna go to that one because this stuff up north, well, it got a little more red. Oh, let's not do 50. Alright, how long will it take me to get to Koyanosa? Koyanosa. And I apologize for killing the stream earlier. I had no signal at all. Yeah, I think I need to get south. It's just too cold here. I think I'm north of the front. And I like that Koyanosa storm. The one coming from Lindsay going to Koyanosa. Yep, that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to head to Koyanosa.
Head north on Texas 18 North, South Stockton Avenue toward East 22nd Street.
Actually, I'm going to gas up. Because you can get pretty remote here pretty quickly. So I'm going to gas up. Leave this on. Back up a little bit. Stay dry. Alright, hold tight. I'll be back. get wet. All right, I'm making a run for it. I gotta go to the bathroom. All right. Squeak, squeak. All right, enough of that. Shh. Didn't need the wipers on now, did I? Oh, Monaghan's just threw up a little tornado thingy. Velocity, I'm not seeing it. Oh, right there. That's got rotation. Do I stay with it? No, I like the one to the south. Clean. Alright, does that... The one to the south, it's got south of Lindsay. I'm a little chilly. Yeah, this thing's a mess. I-20. We'll do one more scan. This is the one I'm on. Monaghan's. It just started to do that. It's got the little tornado deal there. I'm gonna wait for one more scan. See if it's wrapping or not. It just seems way too cold up here. I really do think I need to get down south. I really think so. I think I'm turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. Alright, come on, scan. Oh, it's wrapping. Kinda. How fast is this thing moving? 25. Well, I could look at it. That might be a real bonus, is if I actually look at it and see what I see. actually see the storm. Alright, where was that direction?
Head south on Texas 18 South, South Stockton Avenue toward West 23rd Street. Continue on Texas 18 South for 6 miles. This route avoids road closures. You are on the fastest route. You will arrive at 5:31 p.m.
Let's take a peek. Ooh, little wet. Little wet.
Head east on West 25th Street toward
Maybe
South Betty
we'll
Avenue.
catch a quick funnel.
In 300 feet, turn left onto...
Whoopsie, that's a stop sign. That's a big pile of dirt. Oh, come on. It's like a landfill. Wonderful. I need some flat ground. Not good. Private property. Keep out, stay out. 10 miles an hour. Alright, get out of here. Rather not get. Go further out. I still like the storm to the west. So what I'm trying to do is I was trying to see if the storm to the north, so we can get a view on it. Here we go. Just trying to see if we can see anything. So the storm is right in here. It's looking cold. Well, you got some rising and sinking motion. I mean, who knows? Right there. Got a couple lowerings. The lowering on the right would be the, but this just looks cold. It just looks overturned. I don't know, I'm not really buying it. Hey Kim, yeah, sorry, there was just no signal. So I bailed out on Fort Stockton. All right, so let me see here if this is doing anything or not. That Cyanosis storm is dying out. Huh. I wouldn't expect that. $64. I just don't. I mean, is it even severe warned? I mean, what am I doing here? Severe thunderstorm. Yeah, it's a severe thunderstorm. It's gonna ingest more stuff. to... Did you toast the rental? So, this just looks cold. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Yeah, I heard. Reed's been texting me all this shit. Yeah, this is just cold. So why is the southern one... I don't care. I'm going to Koyanosa. Well, now this is acting up. God, I'm so freaking conflicted. I mean, it's making this huge looking hook. And there is velocity on it. All right, how many miles away is that? Okay, it's only 9 miles. I just don't want to go 9 miles in the wrong direction. It's only 64 degrees. But I mean, it's... Robert, you don't know how to spell Robert. Come on, man. You don't know what a cold front is. Robert, look at this. Okay? Look at this, Robert. 81 degrees. Okay? Up here, 60 degrees. And you notice, not a big change on the bottom number. The top number changes more than the bottom number. So it's not a dry line. Dry lines are oriented like this. Cold fronts are oriented like this. It came from the north, pushing south. All right? So, you're gone. Yeah, so I mean, it's making this weird hook. It's trying all these things. I just need to go that way. I need to go up 20. It's trying. Yeah, dry lines initiate from the west. Cold fronts initiate from the north. What the flip was that? Well, I mean, everybody in the world's been talking about it today, that it's a cold front. I mean, if anything, it's an outflow boundary, but it's a cold outflow boundary. Where are you going? Come on, get out of the way. They have the weirdest access ramps here. Yep, 20 east. that hook is over there. Ugly as sin, but it's looks like it's trying to do things. I mean, it could just be. No, I mean, it's trying to do shit. Thank you, Kim. Thank you so much. All right, so we got to go about 10 miles. Where's the road here? Yeah, I just did not want to destroy the car down in Fort Stockton. And then after this, I'll hit that Koyanosa storm if it comes back. We'll get a weird little accident here. Yeah, I mean, there's meso-rotation on it. Big rain curtains. Is this hail? 2.5-inch hail. Wonderful. Alright, I gotta slow down here. I'm gonna get into hail. It's the same problem again. No, not echo tops. Vertical liquid. Yeah. Gonna get into hail. Start a used car lot. Alright, maybe is there a south option? So cool looking stuff here.